Thinking about jumping back into the Airbnb game in 2026? You're not alone, but the landscape has definitely changed. Forget everything you thought you knew. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate blueprint for not just restarting, but absolutely crushing it with your Airbnb business in 2026. Let's dive in. The old model of just listing any spare room is long gone. The new key to success. Rental arbitrage. This is where you rent a property long-term from a landlord and then re-rent it on Airbnb for short-term stays. The profit is in the difference. But here's the catch. You need to find landlords who are on board with this. Be transparent, professional, and show them how you'll maintain their property better than a regular tenant. A solid contract that protects both you and the landlord is non-negotiable. This strategy lets you scale your business without owning a single property. So you've got the rental arbitrage model down. But where do you find your properties? The answer is niche markets. Don't just look at the big, oversaturated cities. Think smaller. Look for towns with unique attractions, booming local industries, or popular annual events. Are there areas near new tech hubs, specialized hospitals, or universities? These places attract a steady stream of travelers who need more than just a hotel room. Dig into the data, find these hidden gems, and become the go-to accommodation in an underserved market. That's how you build a real competitive edge. Once you have your location, it's all about the design. In 2026, guests expect more than just a clean bed. They want an experience. Your design needs to be Instagrammable, memorable, and tell a story. Think themed stays. Maybe it's a retro game of paradise, a Zen yoga retreat, or a cozy riders cabin. Invest in high-quality furniture, unique art, and amenities that fit your theme. A professional photographer is a must. Your photos are your first impression, so make them count. Remember, a guest isn't just booking a place to sleep, they're booking a vibe. Now, let's talk about the lifeblood of your business. Reviews. 5-star reviews are your currency. To get them, you have to deliver a 5-star experience from start to finish. This means crystal clear communication, a spotless property, and those little personal touches that show you care. A welcome basket with local snacks, a handwritten note, or a curated guide to your favorite neighborhood spots can make a huge difference. Respond to all reviews, good and bad. Show future guests that you are an attentive and proactive host. Excellent reviews build trust and drive more bookings than any ad campaign ever could. Finally, the secret to scaling and staying sane is automation. You can't be available 24/7, but your business can. Use smart locks for keyless entry so guests can check in anytime without you needing to be there. Smart thermostats can save you a ton on energy bills. And most importantly, use channel managers and dynamic pricing tools. These software solutions sync your calendar across multiple booking platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo and automatically adjust your prices based on demand, seasonality, and local events. This maximizes your revenue and frees up your time to focus on growing your empire, not just managing it. So there you have it, your 5-step blueprint for a successful Airbnb restart in 2026. Master rental arbitrage, target niche markets, create unforgettable designs, obsess over 5-star reviews, and automate everything you can. The game has changed, but the opportunities are bigger than ever for those who are willing to adapt. Thanks so much for watching! If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on building your short-term rental business. Let me know in the comments which of these steps you're most excited to implement. See you in the next video!